Looks like we're already late from this Nike outlet, and some reseller bought them all. Well, what's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel, we talk about lifestyle and sneaker-related stuff. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Welcome to another outlet. I hope we could find something really good on this outlet. It is the part 2 of the Nike outlet back to school promotion. So as you can see, we had some additional 30% on the equipment, some bags. This one is not good also. I mean, not bad also. 26 with additional 30%. The colorway is really meant to kids, so it's not bad to have this promotion and discount. All right, check out the Epic React True. Price not bad, and we have some 30% additional 30%, and these Air Max 270 69 with additional 30, and this one is for the kids though. All right, how about this one? Nice, 54.97 with the additional 30%. This is the Epic Odyssey, should I say Odyssey, and the price not bad. This one also 74.97 with the additional 30%. The up tempo Chicago colorway, pass, and the 69 for a different colorway. Jordan React, oh no, it's just almost just the same. Almost 79.99 with this ugly looking Jordan shoes, pass. 109. Oh, how about this one? Been sitting here forever. 59.97 with the additional 30%. This one is really not bad for basketball shoes. For lifestyle, probably not. Check that out. Same thing going on this outlet. Not much going on. Checking out also additional type part of the bags. This one is the Jordan Flint-ish bag. The quality is not bad also. If I have it something for personal, I could, but I already have a lot of bags. Maybe next time I'm gonna show you some of my collections of bags, but now pass. Clearance wall, hash wall. I've been eyeing on this one also. The quality of the leather is really premium. So the price also 79.97 with the additional 30 is not bad. Okay, this one already got me this one in the collection. Keeping it just in case sometimes we're gonna have some trail run or something like that. 49.97 with additional 30% with this React Gobe. Not bad for the price. And walking through the running shoes, a lot of deals, but they are much better when they had the 20% off with the additional 20. Okay, let's go to the women's section. There you go, 39.97 for this Odyssey. Not bad for the price, and the colorway meant to be for the women's, and as you can see 39.97. But I'm gonna wait out this one. We're gonna have additional 30 in a few couple days. And 64.97 the Epic React, another 64 on the Epic React, and the Shock 59.99. There we go. So it still have a lot of sizes, but I'm gonna wait out a little bit more to have it 30%. This one, I got this one the other day, and Jordans no, they're still sitting here. Well, as you can see, we are in the kids section. There's a lot of 30% discount. It is because of back to school, so there's a lot of promotion. And there you go, look at those. We got some kids shoes, 64.97, additional 30. Why not zero? but the colorway is not really bad for the kids colorway. How about that? $69.99, additional 30. We're still in the kids section. There you go. How about that? There you go, another legacy and with the 30%, the highs and a mid 79. Still in the kids section, 54.97. Lot of good deals, a lot of 30% off. This is what's going on, especially when there is a promotion like this one, $79.97 with additional 30%. In the outlet, sometimes they will junk up the price and then add additional on top of it. So some of these are just same price, but some of these have lower price before the promotion. So better watch out on those and take a pictures also. Alright, check out this clearance on the kids, same with the 30% off. And this slide is not bad. It's $19.97 for used but past. And some toddlers. What do you think? Okay, check this out. We got the Kyries. And how about Jordan 1 mid? Wow. Toddlers. Like the color on this one. I wish they more cheaper, like $30. Alright, let's go. Okay, we're in the car and disappointed today. Kinda disappointed. Well, it's part of being a reseller that you go to in outlet to another outlet and look for something, good deals, good finds, hoping we could find something to resell and have a profit. So actually this is not the first time what happened. It's been a lot of times that it's been happening that we bought nothing. Disappointed. I was like, oh, hoping I could find something really good to resell, maybe something for the collection, but disappointed. This what happens once in a while, especially when there is a promotion like this one, back to school. Just like what I've said, that sometimes they junk up the price and then add additional 30% on top of it. But since I've been doing this for years, I noticed this trend that the outlet they're doing, that they could try to before some kind of promotion, the price was low and there's also additional 30% or 20% on top of it. But when some kind of promotion coming in, they will increase the price and thinking the buyers they had a discount. But if they are a regular customer who always go to the outlet, Nike factory store, every weekdays or every weekend, then you'll figure it out that there is trending, they're doing this some kind of trick. If you don't know that, you think you save a lot of money, but knowing there's not. No, you're not saving if you knew. But to the average people who's going just to buy something for their kids because it's back to school, then they think they are saving. But no, it's not just in particular some kind of shoes or not just in a Nike outlet. They doing this every store, like a big mall, other some retail store. They're doing that also, not just Nike, because I observed that every time you go in a regular time, they're doing some promotion, better promotion before some kind of something like this, back to school, Christmas, holiday, especially bigger holidays, they will junk up the price thinking buyers they save. But no, you could save more during regular days, like no holidays at all, because they want those items to move, especially every end of the month or first week of the month. And this is one tip for you in the Nike factory store or Nike outlet store. They're doing the markdown every first day of the month. So let's say 5th or 6th or 7th, especially just every first week of the month. So they will do the markdown because more stock are coming in, and end of the month they would like to move those stock going out of the store. Sometimes they do also a markdown, and sometimes they do a bigger discount, especially now that this thing going on right now. They're doing much more better, like one of the videos that I did is the 20% on top of a 20%, so it's like 40%. That is the first time they did that since I've been doing this Nike outlet finds and Nike factory store thing. Other than that, it's just disappointed. But anyway, sometimes you don't have to force yourself to buy something just to have stock or inventory. It's much better to wait out a little bit more to find a good inventory for resale, rather than forcing yourself buying something so you can have additional inventory and put it on your store or resale, because it's still not gonna be a good profit if you're gonna sit on it for a longer period of time, rather than waiting out for more better inventory, a better price, so that the money you are investing, you are rolling in that fast. With that, thank you for dropping by for this another back to school promotion. And if you like it, please leave a thumbs up, please leave a comment down below. I would love to hear your thought. I'll see you on the next one. Nolasco here. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.